So the next question is, consider the following code segment. Okay, we have to look into this code. Int. So here, what is happening? We are creating a my array. So this is an array of type integer. Okay, so the number of rows are 6 and the number of columns are 5. Okay, so let me try to make an array with 6 rows like this. I mean, sorry, 5 columns and 6 rows. So first I'm trying to make the 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then we have to make 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we will have to take this array as a reference. Okay. Now let's go to this code further. For int j is equals to 0. So this for loop, actually it is a case of a nested for loop. So the outer for loop is iterating over the variable j. So this j or the outer for loop takes care of the rows. All right. So this j value will start from 0, go on till array minus length. What is this array minus length? Well, this array minus length is the number of rows in the array, which is equals to 6. So j will start from 0, go on till 5. Why 5? Because j is less than 6. Okay. And j plus plus. After that, we will have to take care of the inner for loop, which takes care of the columns. Okay. So for int k is equals to 0, that means the inner for loop is running over the variable k. All right. So k starts from 0, goes on to k less than my array dot length, which is again 6. Okay. And k plus plus. Now, what is happening inside this nested for loop is my array jk. So, well, we are populating this my array jk location with j plus k. Okay, is it too confusing? No, I'll tell you how. See, we'll try to track these variables and try to populate this. So initially, the value of j is 0. All right, k is again 0. Now, what we are trying to do, we have to populate the location my array jk. My array 0, 0 is this 0, 0 is this location. Okay, so this location has to be populated, has to be assigned a value. What is the value that has to be assigned? J plus k. J is 0, k is 0, j plus k is once again 0. So we will populate this with 0. All right, this time we will increment k. So k is 1 this time, j remains 0. And this time we have to populate the location jk, which is 0, 0, 1, which is this location. So j plus k, 0 plus 1 is 1. So we will populate it with 1. Once again, k is incremented, becomes 2. Is this 2 less than 6? Yes, it is. So we will have to populate this location with 0 plus 2 is 2. K becomes 3, and here is this 3 less than 6? Yes, it is. So what we'll have to do, we have to publish this location, okay, which is equal to 0 plus 3, 3, okay? All right, next, going further, k becomes 4. Is this 4 less than 6? Yes, it is. So we will publish this location, 0 plus 4, which becomes 4. And now the problem arises. K becomes 5. Is this 5 less than 6? Yes, it is. So it will ask us to populate jk. jk is 0, 5. Now, boom. 0, 5 is not a location in this array because it has only 5 columns. Hence, it will give us the exception array index out of bounds. All right. So What this question says, how many elements in my array will be set to a value before the exception is thrown? The exception is thrown when we were trying to publish over here. Before publishing over here, before trying to publish here, we have populated 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 elements. So the option B is the correct option.